Hello, and welcome to our YouTube channel Abhi Uniku Bro. Please do share and subscribe. We're thrilled to have you here and hope you'll find our content interesting and valuable. Resume challenge. Since I don't have access to any specific information about your experience, skills, and achievements. However, I can provide some general tips and guidelines to help you write an effective resume that highlights your strengths and experiences. Start with a clear and concise objective statement. Your objective statement should summarize your professional goals and what you can bring to the table. It should be short and to the point, and convey your enthusiasm and motivation for the position you are applying for. Highlight your skills and achievements. Your skills and achievements are the backbone of your resume. Use bullet points to list your skills and highlight your most important accomplishments. Be specific and quantify your achievements whenever possible. Use action verbs. When describing your accomplishments, use strong action verbs that showcase your skills and abilities. Examples include developed, managed, implemented, analyzed, improved, and achieved. Tailor your resume to the job. Customize your resume to the specific job you are applying for. Read the job description carefully and highlight the skills and experiences that match the requirements of the job. Keep it organized. Your resume should be easy to read and organized in a logical manner. Use headings and subheadings to break up your content and make it more visually appealing. Use bullet points to list your skills and accomplishments, and keep your sentences concise. Use keywords. Many companies use applicant tracking systems, ATS, to scan resumes for keywords that match the job description. To increase your chances of getting noticed, include relevant keywords throughout your resume. Proofread. Before submitting your resume, make sure to proofread it carefully for grammar and spelling errors. You can also ask a friend or mentor to review it and provide feedback. Remember, your resume is your chance to make a good first impression on a potential employer. By following these tips and guidelines, you can create a strong and effective resume that showcases your skills and experiences and helps you stand out from the crowd. We also love hearing from our viewer, so please feel free to leave comments or reach out to us on our social media channels. We value your feedback and ideas, and we're always looking for ways to improve our content and better serve our audience. Thank you for taking the time to visit our channel, and we hope you'll stick around and join our community. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest uploads.